Okay, so hello everyone. Today we're going to make an unboxing video. Inside this package is supposed to be a Keelat cordless fan. Full disclosure, a friend of mine actually bought this, okay? He paid for, we believe only the product itself is 2,950 pesos. Okay, we've got the batteries, two batteries. This is not included, okay. She bought umbrellas as well, but this is the product that I want to show you, okay. Like I've said, I did not buy this, okay. A friend of mine bought this product, and she knows that I do unboxing videos, and she figured might as well do an unboxing video for this one. That was my cat, by the way. Let's try to open it up here. It's actually big, okay. Let's try to check what that is, but first let's pull the product out of its box. Okay, it's quite big, okay. So that's everything that's inside the box. This is actually quite big. I do believe the fan is 10 inches. Let me measure that. Okay, and it is. Let me show you a much more closer look of the product itself. Seems to have a port wherein you can screw it, maybe on a stand, something like that. Here is where you put the battery, and I do believe this is the charger because there's no charger inside the box. Let's check that, okay. And indeed it is, okay. So it came with two batteries, okay. Let's check the other one. So our charger is input 100 to 240 volts, 50-60 hertz. Output is 21 volts, 1.3 amps, okay. So I'm gonna assume that this is a 21 volt battery. Let's check. So as it sits now, battery voltage when it came out of the box is 19.8 volts. This one 19.8 volts, okay. So let's charge it. Okay, so it's charging now. Let's see how long it will take for this to get fully charged. Light turned green. It's fully charged now. Took about 1 hour. So 20.4 volts. Okay, so this is our on-off switch. To believe this variable speed. We have LED lights here. To believe that is the on-off switch for that. And here is where we attach our battery and say hello to my cat. Okay, and this port right here is where you can plug this in should you want to use the fan without actually using the battery. Plug this in. Okay, so this is plugged in, no battery. Okay, let's increase speed. And on and off switch. Okay. By the way, I would just like to point out, okay, the case, okay, the plastic is actually very sturdy. It's very robust. I mean, it's got some meat to it, okay? It's actually, I would say, very well made. Even if we're going to drop this from this height, that's about, I would say, more or less 3 feet. I do believe this thing is not going to have any problem surviving that fall. Okay, so let me plug the battery in. Okay, and let's see how long this will work on a single charge. Okay, because they advertise this product, okay, saying that this can work continuously for 8 to 10 hours. So let's do that on a single fully charged battery. Okay, so right now it's 4:27 in the morning. I'm going to turn that on. Okay, so hold on. This low speed. You can increase speed gradually. And that's full speed. Okay, and this actually, I would say, decently powerful. Okay, so I'm going to leave that turning. Like I've said, here's the switch for the on-off switch for the LED light. Okay, we're going to keep that turning continuously at full speed, and let's see how long the battery will last. Okay, so anyways, you can see it's already turned off. It's already 8 o'clock now. When I checked this a while ago, around 7 o'clock, it was still running, so it's safe to say turned off around 7:30. So it continuously ran at full speed for 3 hours. Okay, let's check the battery voltage. Let me see if I can remove that with one hand, and I could. Hold on. The battery voltage is now just around 13.5 volts. Let's check again. See, 13.8 volts. Still rising, but it's way low. Okay. Let go. So anyway, I do believe that's it. That's all that there is to show. Okay, so it continuously run on a full charge, on full speed for, safe to say, about 3 hours. So the number one reason why I wouldn't go for this is that the battery design, okay? And I have a rule that whenever I'm going to buy a cordless drill or cordless wrench or angle grinder cordless, that they are going to have the same battery. That way I can use all the batteries interchangeably, and this is not the same. And one other downside is it doesn't have a battery indicator, so you wouldn't know how much battery percentage or power you still have left. So before I'll end this video, I would just like to say, okay, I'm not advertising for this product. I'm not associated or affiliated with this product, with the Keelat, okay, or any sellers online that sells this item. My friend, like I've said in the beginning, actually bought this for herself, and she figured she might as well lend it to me in order for it to be unboxed in this video. So I'll end this video here. If you want to buy this product, it's up to you. You be the judge, okay? So like, share, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe if you want to. Only if you want to. And as always, thank you for watching.